belongings on the floor in front of you. There must be a maximum of 4 riders per row. Younger riders must have a seat of their own. Our team will be along shortly to check you're safe and ready to go.
Welcome one and all to the LEGOLAND Express. Step on board for exciting adventures. I hope you're ready. I am the world's most famous photographer, or at least I would be. Let's wave goodbye to everyone and head off on our adventure. I wonder what we'll see today. Cameras at the ready, eyes peeled, let's go! Now, did I leave my camera? Oh no, that's just my lunchbox. Thank goodness, I found my camera. Right, be on the lookout for snakes.
Your own seat while the train is moving.
I think I got the shot. I got it. Oh, I dropped my camera. I was startled by all those buttons. And look over there. A bit of extra super sticky glue here. A bit there. There you go. It's almost back together. It seems like I'm not the only one having a spot of trouble. Those monkeys are causing mayhem. So they'll make great photos for us. We still have so much to see and award-winning photos to take. That Click Brick trophy has my name on it, thanks to you.
Miren chicos, miren por aquí.
A picture of Mayor Fleck will surely be an award winner. Divers up ahead. There's just so much choice. Wait for the Coast Guards.
Chicos,
You don't see every day. And good night. What a great way to end our adventure. With all our incredible photos, the Click Brick trophy is surely ours. I can see.